So hey, hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find the prime number in Java. So it's going to be a very simple program. So first thing, let's just input a number, okay? So for that you need scanner, okay? And it get automatically import function. If you just type and hit enter, import java.util scanner. So scanner n will be the scanner new, okay? And scanner, and it will take system.in, okay? So that's good. And let's import it, okay? So let's put a int n be the number, okay? So sorry, no be the number, int number equal to n dot next int we have, that's for the integer. So that's good. So this is going to be our number. So next is we just need a for loop, okay? For int I equal to 2, because we are going to just check the divisibility from 2, okay? I equal to 2, I less than that number, okay? No is our number, and I plus plus, and we are just going to use the if condition. If number mod I equal to 0, okay? Simple thing. If the number is divisible by any number between 2 and number minus 1, the number is not a prime number. And if it isn't divisible by any number between that range, it's a prime number. So that's a simple concept. And if it's just divisible, we are just going to print it, okay? Print it's not a prime number. System.out.println, print, okay? Print is enough. Not a prime number. And we're just going to break it, because once it's divisible, we just waste our time checking other numbers. So just we can just break it, okay? Simply. So that's really good. And the only problem is here that we can't display whether if it is indivisible. Like suppose if the number is indivisible by any I that is from 2 to number, it will not go inside this loop itself. So here we will be using a flag and another if statement to check. So flag is like simply a variable, okay? Int, let's simply have int f equal to 1, okay? And like if it's divisible, what will happen is we will reinitialize f to 0. So at the end of this loop, okay, at the end of this for loop, okay, we will just go here and type if f equal to, if f still remains as 1, we will just put system dot out dot println prime number, okay? I hope you understand. This is like basic stuff, okay? If it's let me explain again. If it is divisible by any number between 2 and the number itself, it will just go into this if condition. It will just print not a prime number, break, that's it, program ends. And if it isn't divisible by any number between 2 and number minus 1, it will not go inside this statement itself, and the flag will remain as f equal to 1, and so it will just be printing prime number. So now I think we are fine with this code, okay? Let me just run it and show you, okay? It's going to be java c prime number name.java to compile it, and there isn't any error. So java prime number. So now I'm going to enter a number. So I will go with first 34, okay? 34, it isn't a prime number, divisible by 2 and 17. So I'm getting not a prime number, and I will again do it java. So I'm going to enter 13 is a prime number, and I'm getting prime number. So that's cool. And like even you can even do a basic adjustment over here, because we are running this loop for n times, okay? This loop is running for n times, and you can just reduce it by 2, because it's basically waste of time running n times. Here you can reduce the time by and just divide the number of iterations simply, and it will give the same output, because a number is, we are just dividing the number by 2, the starting number. So the number, we suppose if you consider 27, the maximum number that can divide 27 is 13.5, okay? In case of decimals, in case of whole number I'm saying 13.5 27, and it's 14, there is no use of dividing, checking the number divisible by 14. So it's basically you can just reduce that number into half. It's going to give the same result, okay? I will just show you that also. Java c, compiling again java, and if I just put 15, not a prime number, java I'm getting, I will put 17, I'm getting prime number. So simple, just you're reducing the number of iterations. That's really good.